So in this section, I'm going to show you how you can remove the backgrounds of any video or any footage in CapCut. So in CapCut, there are 3 ways to remove the background of your footage. The first one is the auto remover. The second one is the custom remover. And the third one is the chroma key, using the chroma key to remove any background from your footage. So let's get into the video. So the first one, which is the auto removals. The auto remover allows you to remove any background from a person object. So let's say I have this video. So I will just drag and drop it to my timeline. If you want to remove the background from this person object, you go to remove background, which is also under the video tab. So you click on it, then you select auto remover. So you wait for a while for CapCut to remove the background for you. So as you can see, our background has been removed. And also, if you want to replace the background with a video that you have, all you need to do is suggest move the main video to the overlay layer. Then you can add your footage that you want to use as the background. Then scale it up on the preview window. And now, just like that, I have been able to change the background of my video. And also, if you want to use a solid color for the background, so let me show you how to do that. So let's delete this video from the main timeline. Then you move this particular video. Then move the video back to the main layer. Then go to basic. Then you scroll down to canvas. So you select canvas. Then you click on this drop down menu. Then you select color. Then you can change it to any color that you want to use for the background. So the second one is the custom remover, which allows you to remove the background of complex objects like cars, even houses. So let me show you how to do that. So I have this footage that I will be using. So I will just import it to the timeline. Then you go to remove background. Then you select custom remover. So as you can see, we have 3 icons here. The first one is the smart brush. The second one is the smart eraser. The third one is the eraser. So what you need to do is to select the smart brush. Then you can increase the size using the size slider. Then what you need to do is to draw over the object that you want to remove the background. Then you will wait for a while for CapCut to process your selection for you. So as you can see, our selection has been processed. And also, if you want to make an additional selection, what you need to do, you can come to this particular place. You click on it. Then you zoom into that particular place you want to make the selection. Then you come back to select the smart brush. Then you can brush over that particular place that you want to select. You can also reduce the size. Then brush over the place that you want to select. And also, if you want to erase some parts of the selection, you can use the smart eraser to do just that. So you select it, then you erase all those parts off by brushing over those places. So you can also use the eraser or dot. So when you are done, just wait for CapCut to process your selection for you. And when CapCut is done processing the selection, you come and click on apply here. And as you can see, the background has been removed. So you can change the background. Just move it to the next layer, then drag your background to do it. And as you can see, the background has been replaced. You can also delete the background. Move your footage onto the main layer. Go to basic, scroll down to canvas. Select, then drop down and click color. Then you can change it to any color that you want. This is how you can use the custom remover to remove background from complex objects. So let me show you the last one, which is the chroma key. So let's say you have a green screen just like this, and you want to remove the green screen. All you need to do is suggest add it to the timeline, then go to remove background. Scroll to chroma key, then click on this box to check the chroma key, so that you'll be able to use it. Then move the mask guzzer to select the green. As you can see, it has been removed. But you can see some green color around our person. So if you want to remove that, just go to intensity, then play around with the intensity until all the green has been removed. Now, as you can see, our green screen has been removed, and you can replace the background with any background that you want. So you can just edit to the timeline. Then scale it up on the preview window to fit the screen. So this is how to remove backgrounds in CapCut PC. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section. And also subscribe and give us a like for this video. See you in the next tutorial.